All right, so today's the 8th, ninth, the ninth, I think. Yeah, the ninth. It's a Friday. Um Entered some buys. I was pretty much just fully bullish this week or for today, I mean. It's kind of messy here. However, during um during London, we did see Asian and London. We saw price consolidate a bunch, right? Saw price let me delete this. Delete this for now. We'll only have these two up for now. But we did see price consolidate a bunch. Um, and price finally broke out of this consolidation area. And I was looking for a retest and then a continuation. And I scaled down. And what do we see? During New York Open, I did enter for a buy pretty early. I entered for a buy here because I saw a sweep of this liquidity here. Entered for a buy here. TP was all the way up there, but got stopped out. And then I saw price sweep liquidity of this liquidity and also over here, and it did mitigate the zone. So I entered for a buy here. See this bigger buy here for 1 to 3 TP all the way to 45.30, or this supply zone that price has um reacted strongly off of before. And I also entered again off of Fibonacci over here. Um, Saw price push up, come down. Let me remove this. It's more clear. Boom. Push up, come down, tap into the 25 and 50 area, then push up, entered stop loss below the 50%. And then we saw price continue up, smack TP. I had at negative 61.8. So yeah. And this was the Fibonacci I had. I also had saw a, pretty sure fair value got, I think. We saw price, um, this was basically a support area where price stopped at a bunch of times before. And we saw a fair value gap, or I'm pretty sure it's the inverse fair value gap, I think, where there was a gap here that I want to see get mitigated. It didn't fully tap into it, but it got close enough, you know. But yeah, we're just seeing price push up. I am kind of looking for buys again here. You see this Fibonacci here? Prices tab back into not only the 50% range where I want to see price tap back into, but we also see price tap back into this supply zone where price pushed up above, retest, and the continuation up to here. Not a bad trade. It is 11 a.m., so we do have time for this trade to play out. We did see price give good confirmation um, with these strong candlesticks. So yeah, I am in a buy here as well. Stop loss, I think 40. I think it's 49. 49. Yeah, 44.94 TP up here. And yeah, we're gonna see how price plays out here. Um, but just getting in for just scaling in, and taking the most out of the market. But yeah, this first trade I had all the way up here. Second trade hit TP. No, second trade hasn't hit TP yet. It's still going. I'm gonna move stop loss to break even probably, just to minimize risk. I'm gonna keep it there for now, but just to minimize risk. Other TP got hit, and we are in this trade looking for prices to push up. It is outside of the time boundaries, but I was looking at this trade even before markets or the before 11 p.m. hit. But I just stopped trading at 11 p.m. to just keep calm, in the markets. But I am looking for price to continue up. I don't think we're done, you know. And we go to the 4 hour for swing structure. Then let's just go to the new chart. So we're marking out this stuff. Let's go to a new chart. What do we see? Actually, let's stay here. Kind of cleaner. We see price push down, come up, push down, come up. We see a head and shoulders here, inverted head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder. Price pushes up. Strong push up. Now, what are we looking for? We're looking for a retracement, strong pullback. So, what do we see price do? A strong pullback. Then we see price. Well, it gave us reason to get in. Can't see the candlestick, but that's closed as a strong doji. Right here, wicked all the way down, came all the way up, pushed up above structure, broke structure right here, came up, retested, pushed up again. We pushed up this. We're gonna retest quickly, sweep up here. Then we're probably gonna see a strong pullback here. When we get to this level here, so from here to here, probably see a strong pullback down to these zones, and see price probably continue up because we are at all-time highs again with price reaching up here. But I am confident in price reaching up there. So yeah, that's basically all I got for today. Well, yeah, I mean, we'll see how price plays out. So, yeah.